Watsons, welcome to my channel Adam Burwell. And if it's your first time guys, you know what to do. That you're already here, so you might as well subscribe. The red button below, just click on that and also push the notification bell on so that you'll get updated every time I have a new upload out. And this is just something really a sort of a video that I have been quietly obsessed for the past few months. I know I have been uploading some random covers or music related videos for the past week or so, but beauty and skincare has always been in my forte as well. So as you can see in the title, this is going to be related to skincare and about beauty as well. And also I have been mildly inspired when Tati and also Michelle D release their own beauty line or makeup line. So pretty much I'm just gonna talk about my daily skincare routine, or sort of just looking and staying fresh the whole day. And what how to go about that normally is that cleansing is the first step. And by the way guys, if you've been with me for the past year or so, thank you so much. I know I have transitioned my channel name from Adam's Apple to Adam Rowell, which is basically my real last name with an additional L. So thank you so much for staying with me, and forget all the drama about the YouTube stuff. So anyway, let's get to this video. So first, I don't know if I have shown this to you, but this is actually the soap or the cleanser that I've been using for the past few years. This is Acne Care. You can buy this at Watsons. It's 149 pesos. The good thing about this is that it has tea tree and it also has sulfur, and at the same time it has vitamins A, C, B, and 3. And as always though guys, what I want to say when it comes to skincare and makeup or anything in general, whatever works for you, just do it, just stick with it. Makeup and skincare is something very personal to everyone. It doesn't mean that if it's a high-end product or if it's a drugstore product, it may or it may not work for you. So do what suits your skin best. So whatever it is, just stick with it. However, if you're like me, I also want to try new stuff every now and then, especially that I do watch a lot of beauty and makeup related videos as well. So of course I want to start with cleansing the skin. That's highly important. And because after we wash our face with a cleanser or with a soap, it's not like totally cleansed at all. Oh, and by the way guys, just one tip, the soap looks like this. I would normally slice it in like four cubes or 4 slices so that it will save the soap, because the thing with transparent beauty soaps like this, it may actually melt very quickly. And kudos to Acne Care for for having this really awesome product. Not sponsored by the way, all these products aren't sponsored. Okay, so after cleansing, what you want to do is you get a toner. You use a toner. So this is just sort of trying to cleanse what are the remaining debris that your cleanser will not be able to remove. So what I normally use is the Thayers. I've been using this for a very long time already. You can buy this at Watsons still. This is good for, this is 89 ml guys, 89 ml, but this one is 295 pesos. I know it's quite pricey, but it is worth it. The good thing about Thayers is that it has witch hazel, it has aloe vera. Witch hazel pretty much has antibacterial properties, and of course aloe vera can soothe and moisturize the skin. So what I want to do is that I would grab a cotton pad like this. I love cotton pads. How about you guys? Let me know in the comment section below. I would grab a cotton pad, put a little bit of Thayers, and then just dab. So after I wash my face with the soap for a few minutes, I let it air dry. I don't know about you, but I like to sort of really just air dry my skin, especially if I'm not in a hurry to go somewhere else. So just dab it, and it also has a really very refreshing scent. That's what I love about this as well. It has rose petals again, witch hazel, and just all good stuff that our skin needs, especially with me that I'm actually acne prone. I'm very, very prone to allergies. You would normally see my face having the red spots, here and there. So this is something I would really recommend, especially if you have acne prone and allergy prone skin. So just tap it like that using the cotton pad. Of course, you can also use irregular cotton, but I would normally really prefer using this cotton rounds or cotton pads as they call it. Of course, this is also available at Watsons. Like I said, guys, all these products, they are not sponsored, okay? So it will dry out like a few minutes. Sometimes, guys, when I'm at home and then I don't really wanna wash my face before going to bed, I just use this. Just, yeah, I'm going to share to you that little secret of mine. There are times before at night, admit it, you too, right? That before you're just very, very sleepy already and you don't want to wash your face. This is what I put. This is what I put on my skin. Just the Thayer's toner. Okay, and now we are looking fresh, right? Fresh. Yes, we are looking a little bit fresh right now already. Okay, so after that, all throughout the day, it would really depend. So say for example, if you are gonna be going outside, let's just imagine I'm going outside, then of course I can use a BB cream. BB cream for men, this is it. Black water BB cream for men. It has oil control. What I want to do is, you shake it like this. Now I tell you though, guys, this is all only in the color tone, the shade of beige. So it may be a little bit not suitable for some men or some people which have darker skin tone. And by the way, guys, this you can also use this, if you're a girl, but this is sort of formulated for for men, for people like me, obviously. And what I want to do is, we open it. Just a little bit of product, looks like that. See? And then you use your beauty finger. And then dab. You can of course use a sponge to do it, but I just want to use my finger really to blend it. Eventually it will blend, it has to blend. It will blend. You see that it's quite actually really light, but I do have like a lighter shade on my skin, so it should be good. It will blend. Of course, with with men like me, we sometimes just really like to use our fingers. See that it is now turning a little bit blending on my skin. However, it will oxidize like an hour or so, or a few minutes from now. So it's just like that. It is now a little bit blending now. Just wanna try to cover those red spots because I do have some allergies here and there. As you can probably know, my skin. Maybe you can put a little bit on your, there. Just wait for it for like a few minutes or up to 30 minutes, guys. It will set. Right now, I'm looking really white on my skin. However, after that, you can always use the spray. That's what I always do to sort of set it like an aloe vera spray. Just a little bit. And then just wait for a couple of minutes and then you'd be good to go. And then after that, guys, you will just need sort of blotting paper so that you can blot your face every few hours depending on the activity of your oil on your face. So pretty much this is how you go about just, staying fresh and just looking really awesome. I know I'm a bit white right now, but it will set a little later on. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section below. Stay awesome, everyone. Bye! And just on a quick side note, guys, of course, this is all about like staying fresh and clean in our face during this Halloween season. for this special holiday that we are currently having. And just a little bit of a history. The Halloween was originated on the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. I don't know if it's Celtic or Celtic. Let me know in the comment section below if I am wrong. I'm always open to suggestions and corrections, of course. So pretty much people before would light bonfires and wear costumes to ward off ghosts and evil spirits. And this Halloween has been sort of something that's celebrated all throughout the world, even here in the Philippines. And for each country, it has there's something sort of twist on how to celebrate Halloween and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, it's all about coming together, having fun, and just pretty much being awesome, and of course staying fresh as always all throughout this Halloween period. All right, so that is just something on the side note. I know I just sort of like inject this one, but anyway, stay awesome this Halloween, okay?